how to escape debt and take back control. Let's talk about something most people don't like to face.
Debt.
Not the word, not the concept, but the feeling, that quiet pressure in the back of your mind, the stress you carry every single day, knowing that no matter how much you earn, a part of it is already gone, before you even touch it. Now, imagine this. You wake up, check your balance, and instantly start calculating. What do I owe? What's due next? How am I going to cover everything? And slowly, without realizing it, you stop working for yourself. You start working for your past decisions. That's what debt does. It steals your future to pay for your past. But here's the truth most people avoid. Debt doesn't disappear on its own. Ignoring it doesn't fix it. Hoping doesn't solve it. And running from it only makes it worse. So what's the way out? Not a miracle. Not a shortcut. A plan. A clear, simple, honest plan. Now imagine someone who is completely overwhelmed by debt, owes money to multiple people, feels trapped, feels embarrassed. Most people in that situation do one of two things. They either panic or they avoid it completely. But there's a third option. They take control. Step 1. Face the truth. List everything. Every debt. Every amount. Every person. No hiding. No guessing. Because you can't fix what you refuse to see. Step 2. Create a system. Not random payments. Not emotional decisions. A structure. You decide exactly how much of your income will go toward paying off your debts. And you stick to it.
Consistently.
No matter what. Step 3. Communicate. Most people avoid this part. They feel shame. They feel fear. But here's what they don't realize. People are more willing to cooperate than you think. When they see honesty, when they see effort, they become patient. They become understanding. But only if you show them you're serious. Step 4. Protect yourself while paying off debt. This is critical. If all your money goes to debt, you stay vulnerable. One unexpected expense, and you're back where you started. So even while paying off what you owe, you must still keep a small portion for yourself. To rebuild.
To breathe.
To move forward. And finally, be consistent. This is where most people fail. They start strong, then lose discipline. They give up halfway. But getting out of debt isn't about intensity. It's about consistency. Small steps, repeated over time, until one day, you look around and realize you're no longer controlled by your past. Here's the deeper truth. Debt is not just a financial problem. It's a mental weight. It affects your confidence, your decisions, your peace of mind. And the moment you start taking control of it, something shifts. You feel lighter, stronger, more in control, because now you're not avoiding your reality. You're changing it. And step by step, payment by payment, decision by decision, you rebuild something powerful. Not just your finances, but your freedom,